A local teen who lost his grandmother to breast cancer is using his talents to help with cancer research.
He published a book about 3 weeks ago, and now he's putting together a fundraiser.
He's hoping to raise enough money through community support to make a difference. News 13's Ray Larkins reports.
13-year-old William Myrams is remembering his grandmother in a special way after she lost a courageous battle with breast cancer, writing and publishing a book capturing memories, but raising money for cancer research at the same time.
I hope that this little impact will make a couple people will help make a really big impact on some people's lives.
In the book he's titled Golf, Grandma and Me, William shares his own memories and allows readers to create their own, drawing or writing on blank pages provided. Golf is a big part of the book and a huge part of his life because of his grandmother.
She was the inspiration for me to play golf.
But he's not stopping there. In October, he's having a golf fundraiser.
He's amazing.
Brian Bergstall is a head golf instructor at Shawnee Inn who's worked with William quite a bit on the links. To show support, Shawnee isn't only providing their golf course for the fundraiser, but they're also one sponsor for his book.
I know, personally, at his age, there's no way I'd be doing all that stuff. I mean, he's a busy kid, but, you know, he's brilliant.
Nana Doreen passed away in 2006 when William was 4 years old. While he was very young, William's dad, Paul Myrams, says he's been able to watch videos and see pictures to remind him of her.
We've always tried to remember my mum. She was a big part of our lives, obviously, but he's taken it kind of a step further. So instead of just going to the grave and saying hello and that on special occasions, he's brought it to the forefront every day.
Paul says his son has been working all summer to make these things happen without much help from mom and dad.
We gave him the challenge of, doing it, and he's come through.
Golfing, brings maturity to young kids, that are well beyond, their age. I mean, most 12-year-olds, 13-year-olds don't act the way William does. But that's just because he grew up on the golf course, which is, it's a little bit more proper how you ought to act and how you handle pressure.
I want to help other families just because it's sad to go through this, and you wish that someone like that who helped you for the beginning would be there to see you at the end.
From now on, Paul says they're hoping to have this fundraiser every year. If you would like to donate, log on to golfgrandmaandme.com. The tournament will take place October 5th at 1 p.m. In Stroudsburg, Ray Larkins, News 13.